In a ruling that has sparked intense debates across Nigeria, the Kano State Court has ordered two popular TikTok content creators to get married within 60 days. This unprecedented decision has left social media buzzing with reactions. Let's break down everything you need to know about this controversial case. Welcome to RNN TV. I am Esther Olateju. The two TikTokers at the center of this story are Idris and Basira. Both have gained significant followings on TikTok for their content, which recently landed them in hot water with authorities in Kano State. The duo was arrested by officials of the Kano State Censorship Board after several videos of them went viral on social media. In these videos, the pair were seen engaging in what the Censorship Board described as immoral and demeaning acts, and romantic displays that were deemed indecent according to the state standards. The videos showed the TikTokers in various romantic scenarios, which apparently violated the cultural and religious norms upheld by authorities in Kano State. This led to their arrest and subsequent appearance in court. On Monday, Magistrate Alima Wali issued a rather unusual ruling. The court ordered Idris and Basira to formalize their relationship through marriage within 60 days. But here is where it gets even more interesting. The court did not just order them to marry and leave it at that. The Kano State Hisbah Board has been tasked with overseeing the entire marriage process to ensure compliance. And there's a warning attached. If the couple fails to comply with the court's order within the stipulated 60-day period, they would be held in contempt of court, which would lead to further legal consequences. So how did the TikTokers respond to this court order? Well, Basira spoke to the media after her court appearance, and her response was quite revealing. She said she is willing to marry Idris, especially since he claimed in court that he is ready to marry her. However, she gave one condition. She will only marry him when he proves that he has a house of his own. So, while she's agreeing to the marriage in principle, she's also making practical demands before taking that step. Meanwhile, the Hisbah commander, Aminu Daurawa, revealed that preparations for the wedding are already underway. The Hisbah has invited the parents of both TikTokers as part of the wedding arrangements. According to Daurawa, the intending couple will have to undergo a medical checkup and drug test as mandated by Kano state laws before the wedding can be finalized. So, the authorities are taking this very seriously and following all the proper procedures. As expected, this court ruling has generated massive reactions from Nigerians, and opinions are sharply divided. Some residents of Kano State have praised the decision, saying it aligns with the religious and cultural values of the predominantly Muslim northern state. They believe the court did the right thing by intervening to uphold moral standards. However, not everyone agrees. Human rights lawyers and activists have strongly criticized the ruling, describing it as an overreach of authority. They argue that marriage is a personal decision and cannot be imposed by any court, no matter the circumstances. Critics also point out that this ruling potentially violates constitutional rights, including the right to freedom of association and personal liberty. They question whether a court has the legal authority to force two people into marriage, regardless of the content they created. The debate has extended to social media, with Nigerians across the country weighing in on whether the court made the right call or overstepped its boundaries. This case raises several important questions about the intersection of social media, cultural values, and the law. Can courts mandate personal decisions like marriage? Where do we draw the line between upholding community standards and respecting individual rights? What is clear is that this 60-day countdown has everyone watching to see what happens next. Will the TikTokers comply with the court order? Will Idris be able to prove he has his own house to meet Basira's condition? And will this set a precedent for how other states handle similar cases? Only time will tell how this unique situation unfolds. One thing is certain. The conversation about content creation, morality, and the law in Nigeria is far from over. What do you think about this court ruling? Do you believe the court made the right decision, or is this an overreach of authority? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on trending Nigerian news and stories. Thanks for watching RNN TV.